Top of the morning to you on this Saturday morning. This is day 6 of the 4,000 calorie challenge. I just got done loading up the lawnmower. I gotta go to the building, mow the building's lawn, and then I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna do arms and shoulders today. I gotta work on a newsletter, get some work done, but that's what this morning is gonna look like. So let's get after it. All right, y'all, we are at the gym, about to crank up the music and get to work. One thing I like about working out here on the weekends is that I'm normally by myself. Got the gym to myself, gonna crank up the music, put in work, just zone out and do my thing. Whoo, y'all, the workout is done. I might do a little bit more lateral work today. Front, side, rear delts, but we'll see what it's looking like here in a minute. Check out the mirror action. You gotta get the lighting just right up in here. Plus that vent's going, so it's like super loud, but gotta get that quad action, quad separation. Woo, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. Swole, man. Off-season bulk. That's what 4,000 calories will do to you, buddy. All right, y'all, just got done working out. I'm going to go mow the yard around here now, mow the lawn at the building. I'm gonna work on my tan because I need it. I watched that posing footage from the first vlog, or it's like second vlog from this series, and I'm like, man, I am white. The camera lens was blinded by the light. So I'll work on my tan. I'm gonna listen to an audiobook while I'm mowing. It takes about an hour to mow. I'm listening to Cameron Haynes' book Endure. So super excited to start that one. I'll let you know how it goes. But right now, I'm gonna start cutting some grass. All right, y'all, the grass is mowed. Check it out. About to head home, get something to eat, ate a brick. Let's get the rest of it in, y'all. This is what I came home to. Crystal sleeping and Rigel sleeping. I'm out there mowing and working out, just slaving away, and y'all are in here napping. Making some Z's. By golly. What's going on, y'all? Back at the house, got back, shot the bow, slung some arrows, and then went for a run. Hadn't gone for a run since March when I did that 50-mile 4x4x48 plus 2. So it's been a while since I've run, but I ran 1.54 miles and 8.37 at an 8.37 minute pace. So yeah, that felt pretty good. I hadn't run, like I said, in several months. About to eat a keto popsicle. What are the macros on this, babe? What are the calories? Like 40? I think it's like 40 calories, so not much at all. I've only eaten a brick today and had my 2 cups of coffee, so I got a lot of making up to do. It's 1:45 in the afternoon already, so I'm gonna eat this popsicle, cool down, then eat an actual meal.
All right, guys, Robert keeps making me do these videos, and I just look like super mom mode here. So we have the same exact meal as yesterday. I'll get a scan of this in just a second. Same exact meal as yesterday. We're having it for, what is this, lunch, I guess? It is 3:30. There is macadamia nuts. There's the chicken, the eggs, and the cheese. Exactly the same thing he had yesterday. 1,290 calories.
What is going on, y'all? Since I was shooting my bow earlier, I figured I'd also do some practice with my handgun. I got a Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 9mm. Pretty slick little gun. It's a full-size gun. I don't really like it for a concealed carry because it's a little too big for my liking. I actually got Crystal a SIG, what did I get her? 365, and I like it a lot. I think it's 365, I think that's what the number is. So I might get that same gun for myself for concealed carry, but I like this for my full-size gun. So what I've been doing is on the weekend, I can finally get ammo now. I've been trying to like shoot 20, 30, 50 rounds every Saturday or so, just to kind of put some rounds through it, work on muscle memory, work on shot placement, all that good stuff. So I'm going to do that right now. I got a target right there, but I think I might carry it farther down to the back part of the property so I'm not a nuisance to any neighbors or anything, and shoot some rounds. So and that's what we're gonna do right now while I got my grill warming up to put a steak on there. Well, missed the first few, but I got in a groove there towards the end, so practice makes perfect. All right, there's the macro topper for the day. Got a big old steak. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of butter with it, and that's gonna be the macros, y'all.
Alrighty, you guys, so we are ending our evening. It is actually pretty late right now, but I just made Robert a little shake. It has some of this Mark Bell's steak shake in it, just a scoop of that. Also has a little bit of almond milk and heavy cream in it. It is totaling 255 calories, so that should be Robert's topper of the day. Shouldn't need anything else. But we're just gonna go enjoy a shake and snuggle with Rigel. So I guess that's it for tonight. Talk to you guys later.
What's up, y'all? The steak wasn't quite enough to top off my macros, but the shake is, which means my total calories for the day are 4,098 calories. Boom. Getting it done, y'all. And Rigel's snoozing.
Cuteness.